Good morning. My name is Susan Pierce, and I'm the Parksville librarian. I'm here this morning with ACRA, Aerosmith Community Recreation Association.
My name is Christine Stevenson, and I am a recreation coordinator with ACRA. Today, we are going to be doing one of my favorite things, which is a little bit of vegetable gardening. So Susan, would you like to tell us what we're going to do today?
Yes. So I came across this revelation. Maybe other people know about it, but I thought it was the smartest thing, and it's called seed tapes. So seed tapes were developed because, as you know, a lot of vegetable seeds are very tiny and they need to be planted measured distance from each other in order to grow optimally. And there isn't really an easy way to do this unless you want to do a lot of really low bending down. But I discovered this revolutionary way on the internet that's called seed tapes. And so what seed tapes do is you can do this process where you have a streamer for a piece of seed tape, and you have some seeds. So Christine has carrot, cauliflower, and dill seeds. You use a cornstarch and water mixture as some glue. Then you measure a distance apart for the seeds on your seed tape. And now we're going to use the cornstarch mixture to put a little dollop of the cornstarch mixture. Christine is using a chopstick to put a little bit of the sticky mixture onto each of the measured distance pieces.
Yeah. And this works great for seeds that are really tiny, that are kind of hard to handle when you're outside.
Yeah, because what is going to happen is you're going to put the seeds onto the dollop of the sticky mixture distanced apart. And then once you get all of your seeds placed on your tape, you're going to fold the tape over.
I don't know if you can see.
Yes, we can see those really well. Yep.
And then we're just going to fold it.
So you're going to do whole lengths of strips of that with your seeds. And then you can see how easy it will be to take those outside, dig your little trench that you need for your seeds, and then you'll just place the streamer of seeds along the length of your little dug trench. So I think this is a magnificent way to plant some vegetable seeds. And it's an activity that all ages can do, or that you can do as a family activity. Thank you so much, Christine, for walking us through this process. And we'd also like to thank all of our friends in Arrington, Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, and Meadowood for joining us for this gardening video and all the other previous gardening videos that we've done in this series.